Tutorial 11. Hello and welcome. The following tutorial explains how to activate a model. Running a model requires two things. First, the model must be validated, as explained in Tutorial 10. Second, the model must have an available data source feeding it in real time. The model data source may be set through the Data Source screen. Clicking the sources icon, top row, third from left, in the model's main screen will open the real-time data source panel. This data source panel must refer to an SQL Server table. The first field must contain the server name. The second field must contain the database from which the data is taken. The third field should contain the table name. The fourth and fifth field should contain a username and password for the database. On the right, there are fields that allow the user to control the frequency and quantity of the record's readings. Please note, data table column names must be identical to the model's structure. This means there must first be a record number field, followed by a timestamp field, and all other variables placed in order, as in the model's data table. The data source status field indicates whether the system has managed to establish a connection with the external, real-time data source. The messages field displays information about the reading status. After reading the data, you can see the records via the monitor screen, which can be opened from the model's main screen. Thank you. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful and clear. If not, or if you have any additional suggestions or comments regarding this tutorial, please submit your remarks via our website.